When it comes to getting into your dream university, your statement of purpose can either open the door or quietly close it. And the truth is, most students don't get rejected because they are not qualified. They get rejected because of avoidable mistakes in their SOP. So, today I'm going to share 3 critical mistakes that can instantly weaken your SOP and reduce your chances of acceptance. The first mistake is being too generic. Many applicants write an SOP that could be sent to any university in the world without changing a single line. They talk about their passion, their dreams, and their goals, but nothing is specific. Admissions committees read thousands of SOPs, and if yours sounds like everyone else, it simply gets ignored. You need to show why this specific university, this program, and even this faculty matter to you. Mention courses, research labs, or professors that align with your goals. Make it clear that you have done your homework and that your application is intentional, not random. The second mistake is telling your life story instead of building a logical academic narrative. Your SOP is not your autobiography. You don't need to explain everything from your childhood unless it directly connects to your academic journey. What matters is clarity and direction. You should clearly explain what you studied, what skills you developed, what research or projects you worked on, and how those experiences shaped your future goals. Every paragraph should have a purpose. If a sentence does not support your academic or research direction, it probably should not be there. The third and most dangerous mistake is failing to connect your past, present, and future. Many SOPs list achievements, but they don't show progression. Admissions committees want to see a clear story. Where you started, what you have done so far, and where you are going next. If your SOP feels like disconnected points instead of a continuous journey, it weakens your application. You need to show how your previous experience prepares you for this program and how this program will help you achieve your long-term goals, whether it is research, industry, or impact. At the end of the day, a strong SOP is not about using complicated words or writing a long story. It is about clarity, direction, and purpose. Avoid these 3 mistakes, and your SOP will immediately stand out from the crowd.